Bling! Huh?
Hello everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles. Today I am doing a bit of an unboxing video. So I ordered some new markers from Amazon. I ordered a set of Ohuhu skin tone markers, I believe. I think that's what I ordered. So I'm going to unbox it and see what they're like. So I do have another set of Ohuhu markers. I've got these ones here that I ordered a bit before Christmas, and these ones are the brush tip on one end, and then on the other end we've got the chisel tip. So I actually really like this kind, and I like too that it's got these little kind of like bumps, so that if it's on the desk, it's not really rolling away anywhere. So that is a nice perk. Anyway, I'm gonna stick that to the side. I believe I ordered the same type, like brush tip on one end and chisel tip on the other, and it has the little bumps so it doesn't roll off my desk. Hopefully that's what I ordered. I'm pretty sure it is. I should just use like a letter opener or something, but I'm just gonna use a pen. Definitely not as fast as a letter opener would be. But here we go. All right, so we've got lots of, I don't know, we've got these two like bags full of air. I guess so the markers don't like slip and slide around in the box. So that's cool. They make sure your markers don't get all banged up. And here we go. Let's see. So I ordered the Ohuhu 24 colors skin tone. Cool. It is, I think, what I ordered. Okay. So it's kind of neat that it comes in this little like protective plastic, just in case like maybe the box was outside and like what if it rained or got left in the snow or something and got all like icky and yucky and mucky and gross. You know, this plastic would protect your markers. And it's nice too that it comes in this little case, which is nice if you're traveling anywhere. Now, right here, I don't think my other set has this stuff on the back. Never mind, it totally does. Cool. All right, let's check them out. Oh, and it even has a little handle on the top. The other one does too. I just never really realized. Ta-da! Yay! Look at them all in all their beauty. Okay, love it. All right, so wow, there they all are. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to take a piece of cardstock and I'm going to swatch the colors. So something else I like about Ohuhu markers is that they always come, or at least I don't know if they always come, but every set I've ever ordered, not that I've ordered a lot, but has always come with this kind of like plasticky sleeve. It says, if you are coloring on thin paper, please put this pad between your coloring sheets to prevent any bleed through. So that is super nice, so that your any markers you've got, you know, the ink isn't going through and like getting on your desk or your table or anything. So that is super nice. Okay, cool. So we've got a little swatch thing right here. Nice. Do I want to use this? Nah, I want to use the big paper. But it's cool that it comes with that. And look, everyone's favorite, a piece of foam stuff. Score. And something else. Woo! Some reading material. Love it. Okay, cool. Some little blending tips here. That's fun. Reversible brush tip. Okay. That's actually really cool. Okay, reading material. I'm gonna stick that to the side. And realistically, I'm never going to read it. But it's cool that it comes with something. All right, so we've got our colorless blender, which isn't going to do anything unless you've got something else on the page. But see, it's colorless blender. We'll stick that over here. All right, so now we've got the R27. So I'm just swatching these in no particular order. I'm just pulling it out and going with it. Actually, I feel like you guys are far away. I'm gonna bring you guys down a little bit closer. All right, so that's a little bit better. You guys are a little bit closer to my page here. All right, so that was the R27 Pale Mauve. Here we've got R28. And like, I don't think that's exactly like the color on the tip. Like this color on my page looks a little bit darker than what's on the tip. Not by much, and I kind of feel like this one here is also a little bit darker than the color. Sorry, I feel like the color on the page is a little bit darker than the color on the cap. But maybe that's just me. Actually, no, I really do feel like it's a little bit darker. So I'm glad I'm swatching. All right, this one is R21. Ew. Okay, that's gross. Can you see that? I don't know if it's like weird dried ink. Ew. It's like sticky. Ew. Ew. Gross. Oh, sorry, I apologize. You can hear my dogs barking in the background. They also think, ew. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna wash this off my hands and be back in a second. All right, I am back with washed hands. So, yeah, that was weird. It's not on the brush tip one, so that's my favorite tip. So I'm glad it's not on the brush tip. But it's so weird. I guess like maybe some ink leaked out or something somehow. And you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a little bit here in the cap. I don't know if you can see that very well. But anyway, what's this like? Okay. I don't know, like, does that look kind of dryish? Where some ink came out? I don't know. Anyway, R21. To me, that also looks a little bit darker than the color on the cap. My camera's probably not picking up the color on the cap too great, but moving on. All right, so this one is R30. Very light. R30. This one is called Pale Cherry Pink. And here we've got WG 0.5, Warm Gray 0. Alrighty. I feel like that's a color I'm going to use a lot, actually. And next we have YR10. That's a fairly good match to the cap color, I think. All right, Y4. Ooh, that's a fun color. It's a nice, like, lightishy orangey. Here we've got Y9. Okay, that's a fun color too, actually. This one's Y145, Buttercup Yellow. What a cute name. Okay, it's not what I would picture when I hear Buttercup Yellow, but alrighty. This one is R29, pear color. Yeah. Okay, when I think of a pear, I think of green. Aren't pears green? Man, that says pear, right? Pear color. Lots of times I'll read something and then I have to read it again, because it's like, man, is that actually what that says? I feel like this is one of those times, and the camera won't focus on it. But pear, P-E-A-R, pear color. Man, pears are green. Okay, this one is R19. I feel like I'll use that one a nice lot too. And BR2, potato brown. Yeah, I can see that. That's very potato. I kind of sounded excited when I heard, when I read potato brown. I don't know why. I mean, potatoes are good and all. Mahogany, Y12. Yeah, that's pretty mahogany-ish. This one is YR148. Okay, R18, pastel peach. Very light. So far, I'm really liking these colors. This one is YR20. I'm glad I bought this set, actually. These are nice colors. And this one is YR91, Natural Oak. Ooh. But like, that's definitely way darker than the color on the cap, for sure. YR7. Ooh, that's a fun one too. This one's YR107. This is R26. And this one is YR95. Definitely darker than what's on the cap. Next we have R20. And we got two more. This one is YR5. Ooh, I like that one a lot actually. Terracotta is the color name, and it's very much like a terracotta pot color. Terracotta. Okay, last one. It is YR209. Hazelnuts. All right, so that is all of the markers in this set here swatched. And I gotta say, I like these colors. I'm glad I ordered them, and I'm definitely glad I ordered the brush tip. That's my favorite tip. And I'm excited to see what I come up with, what kind of drawings and colorings and whatever I come up with these new colors I have. Alrighty, so I hope you all have an awesome day. Thanks for joining me today with my unboxing video. And let me know in the comments if you like unboxings. I don't know. Let me know what you think. All right, folks, have a really good day. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.